Mittens. And her sister somewhere around here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have Courtney with me. Courtney actually has her own channel, so we'll link all that information down below. Today we are doing pretty much just a get ready with me video. So I did my brows and my foundation already. And you have
foundation and brows. Brows and foundation.
Well, so we're just gonna finish up, I guess. Today I used the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is one of my favorite like neutral foundations.
Yes, yeah. I have that too. It's lit.
It's like
it's got like a good coverage. It's like not super full coverage, but it's not super light.
Okay, so we'll probably get started with eyes and just kind of transform. So if you want to see how we achieve today's look, then keep on watching.
I think I'll go take a stroll for a while.
We were both going through the makeup that we brought. We actually kind of discovered that the ColourPop, what's it called again?
Perception Rishella X ColourPop.
Okay, the Rishella ColourPop palette and the Maybelline Rimmel, and the Rimmel Magnifies Jewel Rocks Edition palette have a lot of the same colors. Like if you guys could see the two dark blues, this kind of clay color, the shimmery greenish, the brown. So I feel like some of the colors in this are like a dupe for that. This retails for $23 on ColourPop.com. And then you can find this for about $7.69, I think, at the drugstore. Courtney's going to be doing her eyes with that today. I'm going to be doing mine with this, and then we'll kind of compare the looks. Okay, I'm going to set my eyes real quick with my Kokie setting powder.
I just picked one up from Walmart, actually. Hard candy.
Oh, I like hard candy.
It was a, it was just a colorless, setting powder. Haven't used it yet.
I'm gonna drink like every 2 seconds.
Water.
Whatever. And I was like,
yes! Wine is the answer! Oh, this stuff right here.
Yeah, those are good. Some of the high shine.
I am obsessed. I want like every color.
This one I liked, but I was wishing that it was in the matte.
Oh, this is like a mauve-y.
Yeah.
Yeah,
like
mauve
that.
over girl. Peach stole my look. How dare you? I really need like a transition shade.
I know, I have no idea what to start with.
I mean, we both really
So we're gonna start with like the
light layer of this.
Orangey, brownish, red, whatever color.
Tap off the excess.
I never do that. That's probably why I get so
feel
much kickback.
I feel so like extra like YouTuber, like tap off the extra. Yeah, this actually works as a good transition.
Yeah, it does.
Cause it's not too intense. Like, I don't know, everyone's obsessed with Morphe, but like, sorry not sorry, I'm team ColourPop.
Yeah.
It's like, I'm not real into ColourPops? Or Morphe, wow, okay. My brain is fried right now, sorry people. Goodbye.
Yeah, it's hump day.
I was in school today, I'm exhausted.
I think maybe I'll add a little bit of the shimmery red color.
I'm gonna use this shade.
Is the shade called shade?
This is the shade I'm using, shade. Wow, ColourPop. Really creative. I can't judge them though, I have a lizard named Lizzie, so I mean... The kitty is having fun over there.
I know, she's playing with the tack or something. She's not supposed to.
Cats, like, everything is a toy to a cat, I swear. At my house...
Besides their actual toys.
Yeah, my cats, like, literally find, like, a stick on the floor.
I forgot about my diamond crushers.
I'm literally just gonna, like, wing it.
Okay, I guess I'm gonna take the diamond crusher.
What shade is it?
It lit.
Oh,
This
nice.
one
You have a
is-
mini one?
Yeah,
That's
I got
so
a
cute.
trio set. It was on sale. This one is the one that looks kind of pinkish.
And their products are really good, made in California. I always love supporting brands like from the US.
Yeah. Not China. I'm just kidding.
I don't know, I want to use some of this purple. Maybe I should go purple and then like the bluish.
Purple.
This is called September, this shade. Sometimes you just gotta wing it, people. Just like your liner, you just pick a shadow and you wing it. This is in the shade Cleopatra. Oh, this looks really good with this look.
They're so awesome. They're good for your lips too.
Yeah, I know. I use them for eyes, lips. You You can literally just put these. These are really good for like the inner corner.
Yeah.
This might be like a little at the end. I want to use it all. Bittersweet.
I feel like this eye look is really pretty in my mirror, but it's not showing up on the camera that well.
I know, I hate that. Like sometimes you're like, oh, this looks great, and then you take a photo.
Why do some beauty gurus get like the best pictures?
Why do things not translate?
And also, everyone uses Facetune. I'm like, maybe if it was free, I would use it, but I'm not paying for the
Facetune. I know I bought the app, but then like I haven't used it since I've had.
It's really complicated too. It's like Photoshop.
Okay, I gotta go under my eye with a color now. What's the deal with that? So many people are into it, and I'm just like, nah. Or not.
Your look is very nighttime glam.
Yeah, I'm like, I don't know what I'm just going for, like, going out. I always do like those kind of like colorful but like sexy looks. So if you're interested, jump over to my channel.
The purple one? No, the bluish, like, it's like a duochrome. It's like blue-brown. So if anyone's interested in watching me get sassy.
No, I need to do some contour.
I'm gonna probably go in with Dose of Colors. I had the Loyalist shade, which is...
And it lasts for a long time as well. It's the same with the next ones. They're like $8, but I like those much.
Okay, so this is Dose of Colors Sand. Let me see.
Yeah.
The light is so intense. And then Liquid Catsuit Caught You Bare Naked is gonna probably go over the top. I know, right? Ooh, really? Caught You Bare Naked.
Have you ever been like walked in naked?
I don't think so.
Well, me neither.
But you know, Wet and Wild.
Why would they make such a long name? Like they could have just did like
I know, like
nude.
Like nude. I know, I just started like baking a little bit ago, and like baking is, I recommend baking.
Oh, I thought you meant like cookies and stuff.
Baking, so.
It really helps your...
And it smooths. Like,
right, it helps your contour look blended.
Side of the cheeks.
I think your palette is definitely more rich. It's like really pigmented. And then mine is decent, but you have to like build on the colors to get a really bold, vibrant pigment on your eye.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I mean, if you're somebody who wants something affordable, pick up the Rimmel drugstore. I must say, I tried out one of those Rimmel palettes today, and I was happy with it. I like the formula. However, I have a special place in my heart for ColourPop, and yeah, this is 3 times as much, but you get, how many shades
16 shades, 12 shades.
So 12 shades, 16 shades, and the pigmentation is amazing, and you get a little mirror, so it's up to you. Spend a little more, save some money. Either way, like, they're almost a dupe, so there you have it.
Yeah.
Case closed.
Yeah, let me brush this off. This is just a $1 blush from Dollar Tree. It's LA Colors Peach Rose, but it has sparkles in it.
Oh, I'm gonna use this sleek makeup. Oh.
So I'm not doing false lashes today because I just don't think it's necessary all the time. Like, we're gonna take a break today.
False lashes are way too extra.
Don't get me wrong, I love them, but yeah.
It's like 10 p.m. We ain't going nowhere, so nah.
Trying to look very glowy and like glam. Thanks for getting ready with us, and let us know if...
Give the video a thumbs up.
Yeah, and subscribe to both of our channels. Yeah, give us ideas too, because we can make more videos together. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye.